There are many ways to help reduce puffiness around your eyes. Some remedies are simple, like drinking more water. Others are more involved, like getting cosmetic surgery. Here are some tips and tricks to try to get rid of puffy eyes. 1. Get enough sleep. Adults need around 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. To ensure you're sleeping enough, create a bedtime routine and stick to it. Stick to a sleep schedule. Stop drinking caffeine at least 6 hours before bedtime. Stop drinking alcohol close to bedtime. Finish eating dinner about 3 hours before bedtime. 2. Drink enough water. Eye puffiness can be the result of dehydration. Make sure you drink plenty of water every day to keep your skin healthy. The general rule of thumb is to drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water daily. To stay on track, consider setting an hourly reminder on your phone. You can also use a refillable water bottle marked with specific times to help you drink enough water throughout the day. 3. Avoid alcohol. Try to limit or avoid alcohol and other drinks that can make you dehydrated. Dehydration can result in puffy eyes, so it may be best to have a glass of water instead. If you're tired of plain water, infusing it with fresh fruit is a great way to stay hydrated and refreshed. Try adding your fruit of choice to a water bottle for infused water that lasts all day long. 4. Pass on the salt. Eating too much salt can cause additional fluid retention in your body. It can also lead to other health issues, such as a greater risk of heart problems and stroke. Instead, eat more whole foods like fresh vegetables and fruits. 5. Use a cool compress. You can reduce eye puffiness by resting a cool washcloth on your eyelids for about 10 minutes. This can help drain excess fluid from under your eyes. A compress of green or black tea bags may also do the trick. The tea contains antioxidants and caffeine that can reduce inflammation and constrict blood vessels. Remember, make health your greatest wealth. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related videos, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends.